last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus cloud.
And here's my canvas for today. This is what I'll be, and I'm going to change that. Yeah, don't pay that no mind. But this is going to be the wall that I'll be putting the RGB lights on with the clouds. And here are the items that I'll be using to achieve this project here today. So now I took some pieces of that clear, like I would say, I call it like covering paper, but I'm just taking that and I'm using the stapler because I'm applying that to the ceiling and to the side of the walls. So that way I won't get any of the glue on my walls to make it difficult to come out. So I'm just using that as like a barrier for the LED lights, the polyfilm, and the Elmer's glue. So I'll just keep on basically placing the clear barrier onto my walls, and I'm just gonna speed this up because y'all know what I'm doing now. So now that I finished laying all that down, what I'm doing right now is just inserting the LED lights into the port base so that I can start placing and laying them down onto that barrier.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something by the way.
It doesn't matter how you lay the LED lights down on the barrier. The goal is just to place them on the barrier. It doesn't have to be neat. Really, it gives it a better effect if it's just all which way.
do I think I need you here? I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
Now, baby, all I'm gonna say is this Elmore's glue. Whenever you spraying this on, it's best to have on some gloves. As you see here, I did not have on any gloves because I didn't think it was gonna be as messy as it was. But baby, when I tell you the Elmore glue, it was like it was some Gorilla Glue. Like it was just very tacky, and it stuck real pretty fast. Even though on the bottle it said hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds or whatever, it was holding. I mean, it was holding like it was Gorilla Glue. So I'm just gonna continue to keep getting some patches of the polyfill, applying the Elmore's glue, then placing it onto the barrier and the LED lights.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my motherfucker now.
And this is the final look. After everything has been placed, the lights are off and the LED lights are on. I like it. It looks real nice. So if you're looking for an alternative route, I would say go this route, and plus you save money too by the title of the video.